Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I am barefaced, and this is because we are going to review those products from the brand Klavuu, and I got them from the website STYLEKOREAN. So STYLEKOREAN selected me to review those products, and so I wanted first to thank them. And before diving into the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post every Wednesday and all my content is K-beauty related, so if you like K-beauty, yep, subscribe. So the whole skincare line is actually based on pearl extracts, and those pearl extracts are supposed to brighten but also help with your wrinkles. So as you can see, also the packagings are really beautiful. I really like it. It's white, it's pearly, and it feels really heavy. So this is not just a normal simple packaging. It feels really luxury, but also the boxes, I really love the boxes. As you can see here, I don't know if you can tell, but it's hollow. Yeah, I really like all the details in the packaging, and I think this is really pretty. So the first product we are going to talk about is this one. This is a cleansing oil, and this is called the pearlsation Diving Pearl Cleansing Oil. As all cleansing oil, this is supposed to remove your makeup and remove the dirt that is on your face, but also this claims to be really moisturizing and nourishing. So before I show you how I use this cleansing oil, I wanted to share with you what I like and what I don't really like about it. So first, I think that this is a really great cleansing oil. It cleans everything, and as it claims, it is moisturizing, so my skin doesn't feel dry after using it. But the only thing that I don't really like about it is that it's really scented. So yeah, the perfume on this one is quite strong, and I'm not a super fan of perfume in skincare, especially in makeup. I think it's quite okay, but in skincare I prefer something that is just slightly scented, and this one has a really strong scent. It doesn't smell bad, just I prefer when a skincare doesn't smell anything. And so yeah, that's probably the only downside of this product. And also, so because it is scented, sometimes if you have it on your mouth, it's not really tasty, let's say. So that's the only downside of this product, I would say. So now I will show you how I use it. So I just put a few pumps in my hands, then I massage it in, and I will simply wash my face, and here's the results. Then the next product is this one. This is their cleansing foam, and this is the Pearlsation Revitalizing Facial Cleansing Foam. This cleanser claims to remove all the dirt and also the sebum without irritating your skin, but also moisturizing and softening your skin. I personally use it in total, I think, approximately 7 times, and this did not irritate my skin at all. And also when you remove it, your skin feels quite soft. It's not too harsh, so I like this one. But as the cleansing oil, I think the scent is a little bit too strong on this product, but it's better than the cleansing oil. What I really like about it is the fact that this is actually a deep foam. It's not the type of bubbly foam, so it cleans your skin very well, but without being too harsh. And honestly, that's for me the most important for a cleanser, is not being harsh and not damaging your moisture barrier. And so now we are going to try the eye mask. So this is how the hydrogel eye mask looks like, and I am just putting it, and then I will wait for 20 to 25 minutes to remove it. So here's the final result of this eye mask. I really like it. It's really refreshing. I didn't see any difference because I didn't have actually any major dark circles, or also I think for wrinkles it's not going to show up in just one use. I think you should use it maybe on the long term, but for now, for first impression, this mask is really hydrating. I can feel that my skin is really moisturized and really bouncy. I will do a close-up to show you. So this is what my eye area looks like. As you can see, it's really bouncy. I really like it. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person I can definitely see that my eye area is brightened. Really, it did something. It's not like crazy amazing, but it did something. So overall, I think this is a mask I would recommend because it personally felt really amazing. My skin feels really fresh now and so hydrated, and also maybe on the long term it will improve your wrinkles. I am not sure on this point, but what I can say is that it works, at least for the brightening effect, and I really liked it, and it was really nice to use it. So now, as a last step, I am going to use this one. And so this is the White Pearlsation Idol Actress Backstage Cream SPF 30 PA++. So when I unboxed it, I wasn't sure about what this cream is supposed to do, but actually, so this is a cream that you can use as an SPF protection, so as a sun cream, but also as a primer, also as a makeup fixer, or you can also use it and mix it with your foundation. I personally use it as a skin corrector, so when I don't want to wear foundation, I am going to wear this, and this is really working amazing. I really like it. I will show you right now how it looks like on camera, on live. So I take a pump, second, and I just rub it in. As you can see now, my skin is really brightened up, and also it's really glowy and really hydrated. So I really like the fact that this cream is actually also working as another moisturizer. I will do a close-up to show you how it looks like. So this is what the skin looks like. It's really bright and really glowy, really dewy. Honestly, this is the look I like to go for when I don't want to wear makeup. I personally really like this cream, and honestly I will buy it again for sure. This will become probably my go-for cream for everyday use. I honestly highly recommend this cream, and if you are like me, sometimes you want to be on a foundation-free day, this is the item that you want. Personally, I think that overall this is a good skincare line. It did what it claims, but my favorite items are honestly this cream, but also the eye mask. So if you want to buy something from this line, I would recommend those two items. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys!